Are DM groups finally done on Instagram? Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Anthony. Welcome to the video. Today we're gonna be talking about DM groups. Are they dead? I've been getting this message over and over and over of do DM groups still work after the little updates that Instagram did. Now, before we go ahead and start jumping into this video, I wanna take a minute and let everybody who's going to dislike this video just for the sake of disliking, you have your chance to do so now. Alright guys, so are DM groups dead? Listen, there is something you need to know about Instagram, and once you figure this out, you can figure out basically any other social platform, okay? I've made a Facebook post about this. If you're not in my Facebook group, I highly suggest you join because they typically get the content before you guys do in the form of a written post, so go ahead, check it out. Link will be in the description, free to join. You see, content on Instagram and content on Facebook, YouTube, almost any other social platform is ranked based on engagement. The amount of engagement a post gets and how quickly that post obtains its engagement will define where it's ranked, if it ranks, and how many people see it, depending on the platform. For example, Facebook, when you make a Facebook post, it is shown to a percentage of people that are following you on Facebook, and if those percentage that they show it to engage, it is now pushed out to more people that are on your friends list. If those set of people don't engage, they don't show it to any other people. Since nobody engaged, it is deemed as bad content. Now, damn near the same thing happens when I make YouTube videos like this. If I produce this video and it gets a lot of likes and a lot of comments and it gets it pretty quickly, it starts to rank for tags that I tag on the video. It might even rank for the title of the video, stuff like that. If I don't get likes, if I don't get comments on this video right here, it's not going to rank on anything because it's going to be deemed as bad content. When you make a post on Instagram, and if it gets a lot of likes and a lot of comments really quickly, it is going to be thought of as good content. If it was bad content, why would people engage? So when people engage on it, it's an indicator that it's good. Same with Facebook, same with YouTube, same with almost any platform. Content ranks based off of engagement, so it's obvious that if you get engagement, your content will rank. If that makes sense so far, please go ahead and give this video a like. That like's gonna help boost this video. So when you use a DM group on Instagram, you are basically aiding yourself to go ahead and get that engagement that's going to help your content be seen as good content. A DM group is basically a way for people like me, people like you, as underdogs, we can compete with the high level pages. It's kind of a together to the top mentality. A DM group is a group of Instagrammers who go ahead and they help each other's content be pushed to the top. So let me address this. Are DM groups dead? No, DM groups are not dead. DM groups will never be dead. Sure, there is things that Instagram can do to maybe crack down on DM groups. Let's say Instagram said, you know what? We don't want you guys to try to help each other out. We want you guys to post content and stuff comes in naturally, which is really what Instagram wants. Even if Instagram were to say that, the content still ranks based off of engagement. Therefore, there will always be a workaround. Maybe you need to take your DM groups off of Instagram and have them in Facebook. Maybe you need to set up these DM groups on proxies or VPNs or something like that. As long as Instagram and any other social platform continues to rank content and deem content as good content based off of engagement, DM groups and anything else like it, any other form of a DM group, will continue to work. Oh, but let me guess, if DM groups really worked, how come the big guys don't do it? How come people like Gary Vee, Tai Lopez, how come all these big internet marketers don't use DM groups if they work so well? The haters on my videos are about to get really mad, and a lot of people are gonna get pissed off at me for this. A DM group is just one form, one way of getting engagement onto a post very quickly. Since I made a video on this channel about Gary Vee and his $80 strategy, and since I know a lot of you guys like Gary Vee and consume his content, I'll use him as an example. What do you think the hashtag 60-second club is? The hashtag 60-second club thing was not formed just for fun. There is a reason behind it. The 60-second club is a form of a DM group. He is bribing people like you to go ahead and comment on his picture with a specific call to action, right? It's hashtag 60-second club, and you're commenting on it within 60 seconds. Now, what do we do with DM groups? A DM group is used to get as much engagement onto our picture as quickly as possible. What is 60-second club? 60-second club is a way to get as much engagement onto his picture as possible in 60 seconds or less, so there's a ridiculously high amount of engagement on the photo, picture, whatever, and it starts to boost it, it starts to rank it, it starts to spread it to more of his follower base. It's genius. The reason why these big people, any type of influencer, whether it's a travel influencer or somebody like Gary or somebody like Ty, the reason why they don't use a DM groups itself is because their page is already so massive, they don't need DM groups. They can leverage other things like their own audience and give them an incentive to go ahead and comment. Ty gives away stuff, right? He gives away cash, he gives away iPhones. How do you win that stuff? By liking and commenting on the picture. Engagement. Why does almost any giveaway require you to engage on that piece of content? Because that piece of content is pushed out to more people. So when will DM groups not work? When will anything like this not work? DM groups will stop working if Instagram decides that they are no longer going to rank content or decide if content is good or bad depending on engagement factors. Until that happens, DM groups will never be dead, and there will always be a workaround of how to accelerate engagement on a photo. This is the same on any platform. If you go to Reddit and you make a thread and it gets a ton of upvotes, it starts to get pushed to more people. Same thing with YouTube, tons of likes, tons of comments, it starts to get pushed. Same thing with Facebook, same thing with any social platform that ranks content based off of engagement. If you guys are finding this helpful so far, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for me. Like it, let me know that you like it, let me know that you like videos like this. And once you guys kind of master Instagram, you can master Facebook, right? You can master YouTube. Now, of course, different things apply, but basically a DM group is not just for Instagram. You can use DM groups on Facebook to boost your Facebook posts to more of your audience. I could use DM groups on this YouTube video, which I don't, which I probably should, to go ahead and boost this video to more people. You can use it on, again, any social platform that ranks content based off engagement. You can use a DM group for, or you can use a form of a DM group. You can start your own 60-second club. You can start your own type of giveaway where if somebody comments within 20 minutes, you give them something away. These are all forms of a DM group, all forms of driving immense amount of traffic, and driving that traffic to a post very quickly is what allows it to rank because it's deemed as good content. The content needs an indicator, okay? They have to rank content by some type of indicator, and if a content is getting a lot of likes, a lot of engagement, it's going to just be deemed as good content. So if you guys know some people who do nothing but bash DM groups and they continue to grow at ridiculously slow rates while thinking they know it all, just send them this video and it'll set them straight and you can get them off your back. So to get this engagement to go viral, DM groups are the foundational core. However, there are other things you can use to go ahead and speed up the process to go more viral and to really reach that explore page and kind of tap into the 6-figure, 7-figure impression mark and really getting into the 10,000 followers a month type of mark. If you guys are interested in that, I do have a webinar. I'll leave that linked below in the description. Go ahead and check it out. It'll literally teach you step by step what I do so you can go ahead and implement that on yourself. So with that said, guys, if you're new to the channel, I hope you're liking these videos. Go ahead and again, like this video, comment what you think below, and again, share this video with your friends. Let's get more people educated about Instagram and social media platforms in general. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, you should probably subscribe because there's too much valuable information here. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all on the next video.